Your first assignment is to create a quick value scale just to see how the charcoals work. We're going to start with the vine charcoal. The vine charcoal looks more like a round stick, so this makes lighter values. And we're going to try and get a really, really light value. To do this, we're going to take the vine charcoal on a separate piece of paper and just place some of it like that. Then you're going to take some paper towel and see if you can just pick up just some of it. So you're just picking up a tiny bit of that and then placing it, trying to get just a really light gray value like that. Once you've done that one, go ahead and take your vine charcoal and lay it flat on the paper and see if you can come up with a value that's a little bit darker. So we've gone, that's quite a bit darker. You can wipe it down with a paper towel. You'll see it goes a bit lighter from there. Next up, go with the compressed charcoal, and we want to do the same thing. We want to get something that's not terribly dark yet. So you're going to use a separate piece of paper, place the compressed charcoal, pick some of it up with your paper towel, and place it next to this one. You'll see that even just like picking it up from over here, it's already going darker than the last one that you had. Next up, you'll take the compressed charcoal directly and place some of it, but not too much. You can see we're going quite a bit darker here. Now we'll try to get our darkest value by going back and forth about 5 or 6 times and then smoothing it out with the paper towel. Okay, so you should have about 5 different values on your paper. The first 2 are from the vine charcoal, and the next 3 are from the compressed charcoal.